My name is Ken Brown. I'm the president of MEDSYS2 Incorporated. We've been around since 1997 developing medical systems. This is our latest iteration of the MEDSYS2 system. It's optimized to run on the tablets, the Windows 8 tablets. It can also run on Windows 7, XP, and Vista. So over the next few minutes, we hope you watch this video and take a tour of our system. Now, if you're interested and you just want to get your hands on the system, I would recommend going ahead and purchasing the $199 system. It gives you the full functionality, but it's designed to run on a single computer. So instead of you investing $5,000, $10,000 to get a system in-house so that you can get your hands on it, spend the $199, tour the system. You can generate the notes, you can generate the bills. You can do every aspect of your practice, but you do have to specify, let us know what type of specialty you're in, whether you're a physical therapist, you're a medical provider, whether you're a psychiatrist, because we have templates for each of those specialties. If you're a home health provider, we have those as well. So just take a tour, and we hope that you...
Okay, we're going to cover the MEDSYS2 EMR EHR. MEDSYS2 began back in 1994. And it's continued through 2013. We first started with our client server systems, then we moved to the handheld systems or integrated the compact iPad as a solution. We then went to the Windows Tablet Edition system back in 2003 that also included the Slate by Fujitsu. Nothing new has come about until now, until the Windows 8 Tablet Pro system with the Microsoft Surface tablet. But MEDSYS2 has always led the way in portable medical solutions. There's been a lot of major changes in technology over the past 5 years. Many applications have gone to the web. Windows goes from 32-bit to 64-bit. Vista, it becomes an absolute failure. So a lot of companies refuse to move to Vista and subsequently refuse to move to Windows 7. XP remains the operating system of choice for most medical practices. In 2009, the Obama administration, they created their own initiative to push practitioners to move from paper to the EMR. What that caused was companies like McKesson and GE began to buy out all the inexpensive medical solutions like Litech and Metasoft. One thing that we noted was that a lot of companies had software that they had purchased that would be incompatible if they moved to another operating system. So MEDSYS2, one of our objectives was to make sure that our software was backward compatible. So it is completely compatible with Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, and Windows 8. It can run in both 32-bit mode and 64-bit mode. What is MEDSYS2? MEDSYS2 is actually a hybrid system. It's a desktop system that has the capability of working in a client-server environment, and it also has the capability to what we call interleave. It can actually go to the internet. It can send data up to the internet and pull data from the internet. So it has the capability of using a cloud so that if there's a central repository in the cloud, it has the ability to link in, connect, and share information. So that's how we've set it up so that if you are remote computing, working out in the field, either as a social worker, as a home health provider, that you're able to transmit your reports that are encrypted and transmitted through the cloud back to the main office. The strength of MEDSYS2 has always been replication synchronization. What that means is the database has the capability of replicating itself to a laptop or a remote unit. So in the past, we've noted we've been able to replicate 10,000 records in 2 minutes time. So if a physician were leaving, he wanted to take his laptop with him, but he wanted a copy of all his patient records, he had that capability. Now we do incorporate transparent data encryption in our database. So every record is encrypted. There is no way to see the information outside of the system, and we also are implementing remote destruction capability, which means that should you request it, if a laptop is lost, once that laptop reconnects to the network or to the internet, there's a signal that's sent to destroy the database. Even though the database is not visible to the apparent eye outside of our application, it will be destroyed through a remote signal. One of the questions that we have is, why is MEDSYS2 price so low? For us, it's almost like starting over. We've been, for the past 5 years, we haven't come out with a new release. So this is our first release in the past 5 years. And what's important is installation count. We know that in order to be successful, the question that everybody asks is, if I buy this, who else has bought this? So for us, we've priced it as an incentive to get our installation counts up. We're new to certain markets. We're new to home health, psychiatry, and social work. So we want to make sure that we are able to actually make inroads in those fields. We don't believe that healthcare systems should start at the $20,000 range in order to be good. And we do believe that the Windows 8 tablets are a true game changer. The iPads and the Androids don't have databases, and they cannot do what these Windows 8 tablets can do.